Hello, Standard 6. Your Arun sir going to teach Geography, Chapter 5, Minerals, and it is Part 3. What we have discussed in Part 2, we have discussed about the types of mineral, means organic and inorganic mineral, the types of types of inorganic mineral, that is metallic and non-metallic. We have discussed about the different techniques used in mining, and we discussed distribution of minerals in the world, in which we discussed about the iron, the four ores of the iron: copper, bauxite, manganese, gold, silver, and uranium. And today in this video we will discuss about the distribution of mineral in India, mineral resources in India. Okay, in India, where these minerals are distributed. And dear children, nature has given us good amount of mineral reserve. Our country is richly endowed with mineral resources, and minerals are the base of industry. Without minerals, industries are not possible. And but everywhere the mineral distribution is same. No, it is uneven in distribution. Somewhere more, somewhere no mineral. Okay. For example, our Maccleskillen is on a plateau. Are you knowing? Yes, the name of that plateau, whole Ranchi district is on a plateau, and the name of that plateau is Chota Nagpur plateau. So our language is Nagpuri. Okay, this plateau is Chota Nagpur plateau, and Chota Nagpur plateau is rich in mineral deposit. Other plateaus like Deccan Plateau in southern India, Damodar Valley, okay, near river Damodar, good amount of mineral resources are there. But in Indo-Gangetic plain area, there is no deposit of mineral resources. Now, very important thing I am going to discuss: minerals and distribution in India. Bauxite in Jharkhand, Lohardaga, and last year one question was there. Lohardaga just nearer to us. Good for there is deposit of bauxite. Chhattisgarh in Korba, Maharashtra and Odisha, bauxite. Coal, Jharkhand, our Khalari, Jharia, Bokaro, Karanpura. Talcher in Odisha, MP, Singrauli in MP, Chhattisgarh, the place is Korba, Raniganj in West Bengal, Naveli in Tamil Nadu. Copper, again in Jharkhand, which district? Singhbhum and Hazaribagh. Rajasthan, where in Rajasthan? Khetri. In Chhattisgarh and MP, good deposit of copper is there. Gold, Karnataka, Kolar and Hutti, and in Andhra Pradesh. Iron, again in Jharkhand, Singhbhum, Hazaribagh. In Odisha, Keozhar and Mayurbhanj. In Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Durg and Bastar. Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, they have also got iron deposit. Silver, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. Manganese, Odisha, where in Keozhar, Mayurbhanj, two districts of Odisha. Madhya Pradesh, where in Madhya Pradesh? Balaghat, Jabalpur. In Jharkhand, Karnataka and Maharashtra, deposit of manganese. Petroleum and natural gas, Assam, and the place is Digboi, Naharkatia, Moran in Assam. In Gujarat, Ankleshwar, Kalol. In Maharashtra, Bombay High, and that is in Arabian Sea. Uranium, Jharkhand and Rajasthan. So, you have seen that our state Jharkhand has got good deposit of mineral resources. Now, conservation of minerals. Day by day, our population is increasing, so there is more demand of the mineral. The demand of minerals are increasing, and it is a non-renewable resource. Means once used, it will be finished. Okay. So it is a non-renewable resource. Once consumed, they are completely exhausted and cannot be regenerated soon. There may be a question, what do you mean about non-renewable resource? The resources which once consumed, they are completely exhausted and cannot be regenerated soon. So once it is finished, it can't be regenerated soon. So we have to use our mineral resource in a planned manner so that future generation is not deprived. If we will use all the mineral, what our children will use? So judicial use of these minerals should be there. How? What are the methods by which we can conserve the mineral? We can keep it for future use also. One is recycling. Recycling means used minerals can be recycled again, can be converted into liquid, and again new things can be made. Many metals like iron, gold, silver, aluminium, once discarded, can be reused by recycling. Haven't you seen Kabadiwala? They buys these goods and it is recycled into new one. Avoiding wastage. We should avoid wastage of this minerals. Smelting. Smelting is the process by which aluminium is taken out from the bauxite. And mining. We should take care. We should take care so that there is no wastage during smelting and mining. Okay. Substitutes. Substitutes means other than. Substitute player you are knowing now, means extra player. So we should keep substitutes in our mind of these minerals. Means instead of minerals, some other thing can be used. For example, nowadays biodegradable plastic is available. Plastic is not good. It is not degradable. It creates pollution. But nowadays biodegradable, which can be a decade, can rot, सड़गल जाएगा. That type of plastic is available, biodegradable plastic. Wood and other substitutes should be more widely used so that minerals can be kept for the future generations. So dear children, in this video we discussed mineral resources of India and the distribution of mineral resources in India and about the conservation of minerals. Today up to this much. In the next video, we will discuss the rest part. Thank you very much.